Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna be reviewing the Bitcoin chart. I don't have a lot new to say here. All I can expect is this to continue to go higher until the hard fork and maybe see a drop, a significant drop right after the fork happens on the 25th. If we look at what happened last time, the 31st, 1st, and 2nd of August is when the hard fork happened for Bitcoin Cash. And we had a significant drop here. It went from 2,900 down to 2,600. So $300 down back then was a lot when we were hardly at the $3,000 level. So $300 drop here was a lot back then. $300 drop here is nothing. I mean, the higher we go, the more volatility there's gonna be. So I would expect a bigger drop than this, but something in the same proportion. And then, so the hard fork happened the 1st of August. We didn't see the parabolic movement until the 5th of August, which was when Bitcoin Cash was added to the exchanges, so people could start trading it. But since the fork happened, when the fork happened, if you have your private keys, you know you will be able to access your free coins anytime later in the future. So as soon as the block is mined and the hard fork happens, people is going to start trading Bitcoin right away. So maybe we could expect a drop there after the 25th, after the block is mined, and then continue higher when the Bitcoin Gold is available in the exchanges to trade it. So I mean, that's what happened the last time. I think the market has learned from this previous hard fork. So all I can anticipate is something similar. I mean, if we didn't have the hard forks coming, I would say we are overextended as hell. But the hard forks are very, very strong fundamentals. Also, I was looking at the market cap. I dropped the screenshot here on Photoshop, and we're still within this uptrend that I have been showing. We had this big sell-off here, but this uptrend held. We went up, we used this as a support, and we went up parabolic, and now like sideways down. This looks like a continuation pattern. In a balance of probabilities, I think this is preparing to shoot up. I think this is preparing to shoot up, maybe parabolic, but of course you never know. So you need to expect success, but you need to prepare for the worst as well. So you gotta be watching this uptrend support here. If this is broken on the downside, that's gonna be really bad, and you never know when this is going to happen. So I'm watching this all the time. And yeah, as I said, in a balance of probabilities, I think this is a continuation pattern, and it's preparing to go up, probably after the free coins are available to trade, I would say. But yeah, of course you don't know, so you want to prepare for any situation. I think I don't have anything else to say about Bitcoin. I mean, these swings and these drops and ups and downs is very normal. It's just the volatility of the situation. I mean, I wouldn't be scared about that. So yeah, don't use the stop loss too tight because it's gonna be triggered. I mean, we are in extreme volatile conditions right now, and expect more the higher we go. And now for the Bitconnect haters, you people really need to stop listening to speculations. I mean, don't even listen to me, right? Just look at the facts. I have been listening to people say how Herbalife was gonna collapse because of the pyramid. And I have been waiting 40 years and nothing. So all these people that's been calling it a scam for 40 years, they have been missing out. I have been listening to people say that the stock market is going to crash, and they give you dates and times, and because of this, because of that, and they find all kind of reasons. But the stock market is not crashing. It continues to break all-time highs every day. So for all these years that people has been calling the crash, they have been missing out in a lot of profits. So I would suggest you to wait, for the event to happen, and especially for this long. I mean, this has been up now for a year. This company has proven itself in two specific events that I'm not going to cover in this video because I don't want to make it too long. But this company has proven a lot already, the trust of the company. And saying that they use the new money to pay the old money, that just doesn't even make any sense. I mean, this company is generating a huge, like, extreme revenue. This company is generating extreme revenue. They don't even need a bot to pay people out. I mean, there's a reason why when you lend money, you have to give Bitconnect tokens, but when they pay you out in dollars. So just think about that for a second. If you give Bitconnect tokens and they're going to be locked up for whatever period of time, for 6 months, and the price of the coin increases at the rate that it's increasing, but then they pay you out in dollars, it means you're getting less coins than before. They make only right there they're making billions of dollars with this. They don't need to use the new money to pay old money. It just doesn't even take a lot of brains to see that. They have enough money to pay people for years through bear markets. They don't need to use the new money to pay the old money. They've gone through 2 bear markets already. A 2 months bear market back in June, I think it was, and 1 month of bear market in the whole month of September. So that's 3 months out of 7 months that they have been operating, or 8 months, something like that. That's a big percentage of bear market, and they never stopped paying. Why? Because they are generating extreme revenue. They have enough to pay out people for years. So guys, with this being said, I'm gonna leave the video here. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.